Hemsill, welcome back. This week I'm going to be showing you how to make rock buns, otherwise known as rock cakes, as one of my autumn tea time favourites. For this recipe you will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 75 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 125 grams of unsalted butter, or you could use a plant-based margarine, 150 grams of your favourite dried fruit, 1 free-range egg, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You will need to preheat your oven to 160 degrees Celsius, that is a fan oven, and you will also need to line your tray with greaseproof paper. If your tray is much smaller than mine, you could use 2 trays. Before you start, it's essential you tie back your hair, wash your hands and wipe down your surface to make it clean and hygienic. Right, stage 1, you're going to add your self-raising flour, your sugar and your baking powder to your bowl. Add your margarine or butter to your bowl. Bit of a top tip, cover your margarine or butter over with your dried ingredients before you start. This will stop your hands getting really sticky. So we're going to be doing the rubbing in method. So a bit of money wouldn't go amiss. So you're rubbing your fat into your flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. This feels very similar to a crumble mixture or a scone mixture, just made with the same ingredients, using flour, butter and sugar. So now it looks like breadcrumbs. Make sure all of the flour from underneath is mixed in. Whisk up your egg and weigh out your 150 grams of your dried fruit. Add your fruit to your bowl. Add your egg to the bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of milk. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Use a mixing spoon to stir until well combined. This should look more like a dough than a cake mix, such as a batter. Spoonfuls of the mixture onto your tray. It should make about 12 in total. I'm using 2 spoons and I'm going to space them out evenly because they are going to expand in the oven. Don't be tempted to make these like pebbles with your hands, they are rocks. So you should have a rough edge. You should have made 12 rock cakes. We're now going to place them in the oven using our oven gloves. Please be really careful using the oven so that you don't burn your hands. I'm going to place them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Set the timer for 15 minutes, then check them after 10. So, although it's been only 13 minutes, you can see they're quite golden brown. However, what we're looking for is a hard texture, they're golden brown, and that if you were to place a skewer into the centre of them, no cake mix would become out. At the moment, they're feeling quite soft on the inside, so I think I'm possibly going to give them another 5, which would take me up to 20 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. You can see now that they are really golden brown, and the texture should have changed when placing your skewer inside. You need to allow these to cool on a cool rack. You can place one of them onto a plate if you so wish for your tea time treat. These are best eaten when warm.